Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So today is the day where I am going to launch my new course and I'm sure you all will love this so much. I have thoroughly enjoyed making it and I'm sure you will also have the fun. So I will just reveal in some time. Just I want to share some of the things before showing it to you. It is quite huge wall frame which I am going to show you, and it is literally beautiful, and I'm sure you are super duper excited to see what is coming in the course. So I will not take much time, and ta-da! I'm just sharing this beautiful and huge wall frame of Radha Krishna. So this is my course called Quilling Radha Krishna frame, and can you see this? How gorgeous this is looking. So I will just share you the complete glimpse. So this is the beautiful Radha Krishna frame. I am sharing you from the closure look. Everything is completely handmade using different quilling patterns with lots of filigree work, intricate ornamental quilling designs, and all the designs are separate from each other. Used many different color combinations which will suit to the theme, and you can create this beautiful frame for yourself or to gift someone. So I'm sure you have enjoyed the new launch, and I want to share some details with you so that you can join it easily. The course fees is 1500 rupees only without the materials, and I will share all the tutorials via Gmail account only, and you just need to pay me and I will share the tutorials with you. The tutorial is having so many parts in detailed procedure to prepare the base, to create the Krishna, to create the Radha, to create background, how to create ornamental jewelry, and everything is explained in very detailed format. So you will not have any problem while watching this. This is very basic quilling work have done here, and using the simple tool and quilling strips you can create such kind of magics. So I'm sure you will join it very soon and you will not regret it later. And there are so many students also here who have summer vacation started, so utilize your time in creating something beautiful. You can decor your walls, you can gift it to someone special, and this is the extraordinary piece you are going to create. So don't miss the chance, and you can WhatsApp me on 8999214921 if you want to join the course, or you can also Gmail me at quillingradhakrishna@gmail.com. So see you soon and grab the deal. Thanks for watching. Bye.